Hey, Emma, why are you sitting here all alone? Everyone's playing football. Don't you want to join us?
Hi, Dave. No, not today. I don't really feel like playing.
Hmm, you look sad. What's wrong? Did something happen?
It's just English. I've been trying so hard to learn it, but I still make so many mistakes. I don't understand grammar, I forget new words, and sometimes I can't even speak when the teacher asks me a question.
Oh, I see. So that's what's bothering you. You're struggling with English.
Yes, everyone else in class seems to speak so easily, but when I try, I feel nervous. My brain just stops.
I understand that feeling. I used to be like that too.
Really? You? But your English is great, Dave. You always answer in class, and you even help the teacher sometimes.
Thanks, but trust me, it wasn't always like that. When I started learning English, I could barely say, "My name is Dave." I was scared to speak, just like you.
So, how did you get better?
Well, it didn't happen overnight, but I found a few things that helped me a lot. Want me to share them with you?
Yes, please. I really want to improve, Dave. I just don't know where to start anymore.
Okay. First of all, you have to remember why you want to learn English. What's your reason?
Mm, I think it's because I want to travel one day. And I also want to watch movies without subtitles.
That's a great reason. You see, when you have a strong reason, learning becomes easier. Whenever you feel tired or frustrated, think about your why. It keeps you going.
That makes sense. Sometimes I just study because I have to, not because I want to. Maybe that's why I get bored.
Exactly. Try to make it fun. English is not only a school subject, it's a language people use to communicate. You can learn it through things you enjoy songs, shows, games, or even chatting with friends.
Hmm, I like music. Maybe I can listen to English songs?
Perfect! That's one of the best ways to start. Listen to the lyrics, try to sing along, and look up the meanings. It's fun, and you'll start to pick up new words naturally.
But Dave, sometimes I study a lot in one day, then I forget everything the next day.
Uh, that's because you're studying too much at once. It's better to study a little every day than a lot in one day.
So, like 10 minutes a day?
Exactly. Even 10 or 15 minutes of English practice daily can make a big difference. You can listen to a short podcast, read a small story, or watch a short video. Just be consistent.
Hmm, I guess I can do that. Maybe after school every day?
Yes, that's a great idea. You can make it a habit, like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Small steps every day add up.
You mentioned podcasts, but sometimes when I listen to native speakers, I can't understand anything. They speak so fast.
No, yeah, I know they do speak fast. But don't worry, that's normal in the beginning. The trick is to start with slow English. There are podcasts, YouTube videos, and audiobooks made just for learners.
Oh, like the ones where people speak slowly and clearly?
Exactly. Listen to those every day, even if you don't understand everything. Your ears need time to get used to the rhythm and sounds of English.
So I should listen even if I don't get all the words?
Yes, don't try to understand every single word. Just listen for the main idea. Over time, you'll start recognizing more words and patterns. It's like training your brain to hear in English.
That actually sounds nice. Maybe I can listen while walking home.
Perfect! Listening while doing something else helps your brain relax and learn naturally.
Okay, I'll listen more. But speaking is still the hardest part for me. I get nervous. My tongue feels heavy.
I know that feeling. You're scared of making mistakes, right?
Yes, I don't want people to laugh at me.
But here's a secret, Emma. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Making mistakes means you're learning.
Really?
Of course. You can't improve if you don't speak. The more you speak, the better you'll get. Think about how babies learn. They listen, repeat, and make mistakes all the time, but no one laughs at them, right?
That's true. Babies just keep trying until they can talk.
Exactly. So speak as much as you can with friends, classmates, even to yourself.
To myself?
Yes, you can talk to yourself in English when you're alone. For example, when you're getting ready in the morning, say, I'm brushing my hair. I'm putting on my shoes. That's practice too.
That sounds funny, but I'll try it.
It really helps. It builds confidence and trains your mouth to move in English.
What about reading? I like stories, but sometimes I don't understand the words.
That's okay. Start with simple books, maybe children's books or short stories. The goal isn't to understand every word, but to enjoy the story.
Hmm. Should I write down new words?
Yes, but don't just write them, use them. When you learn a new word, make your own sentence with it. That way, it stays in your memory.
Oh, like if I learn the word delicious, I can say, this cake is delicious.
Exactly. The more you use new words, the more natural they become. You can even keep a word diary. Every day, write 3 new words and use them in sentences.
3 words a day sounds easy. I can do that.
See, you're already planning like a real learner.
But grammar, that's my nightmare. All those rules and tenses confuse me.
Yeah, grammar can be tricky, but don't try to memorize all the rules at once. Learn grammar through examples, not just rules.
How do I do that?
When you read or listen to something, notice how sentences are built. For example, I am studying English. That's present continuous. The more you see it used, the more you understand how it works.
So I should learn grammar naturally, through stories and listening.
Exactly. Learn from context, not just from grammar books. You can still check the rules when you're confused, but focus more on using the language.
That sounds easier than memorizing long lists.
It really is. And remember, grammar improves when you use English, not just study it.
Hmm. So I should listen, speak, read, and write a little every day. But how do I know if I'm improving?
Good question. Set small, clear goals. For example, this week I'll learn 10 new words. Or, I'll listen to one English podcast every morning. When you achieve those goals, you'll feel proud and motivated.
Oh, like checking things off a list.
Yes, it helps you see your progress. And don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace.
That's hard sometimes, but I'll try.
You're doing great already. You care, and that's the most important part.
You know, Dave, I just realized English is everywhere in songs, games, movies.
Exactly. That's called immersion. Try to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages on social media. Watch shows with English subtitles.
That's a cool idea. It'll help me see English all the time.
Yes, and soon it will feel more natural. You'll start thinking in English without even realizing it.
Wow, I'd love that. You know, Dave, after talking to you, I feel much better. I was almost ready to give up before.
Don't ever give up, Emma. Learning a language takes time, but every small step counts. Even when it feels hard, you're still moving forward.
I'll remember that. From now on, I'll do something in English every day, even if it's just listening to a song or reading one page.
That's the spirit. And remember, I can help you too. We can practice speaking together after class.
Really? You do that?
Of course. Friends help each other. We can have short English conversations, like talking about our day or our plans.
That would be amazing. I think learning English just got a lot more fun.
See, you already sound more confident. You're on your way, Emma.
Thank you, Dave. You're a good friend and a great teacher.
Anytime. Now, come on, let's go join the game before the bell rings.
All right, but next time I'm practicing my English on the field too.
Deal. English and football. Perfect combination.